Hello my friends, do you want to make 5x7 cards but you don't have a larger machine? Well, guess what? I have a trick for you, so stay tuned. I have some fun items to share with you today, and this one's going to kind of knock your socks off, so I just don't know where to start. So I'll start with one and work my way to the 5x7 card. How's that? The first one is a card front, and it says, "You are my sunshine." Now, I will be honest with you, this is a very special one to me because I sing this to my baby boys and I sing it to my daughters every day, minimum of once a day. And I just love this saying, and it looks so adorable. You can make it a square like we have here, or you can make it, actually I think all of our samples this time have it on a square. You can also make it on an A2 size card or a 5x7 or pretty much any size card you want, because the cool thing is it's two different dies. What you're going to do is, if you want it to stay in your card, you're just going to use the inside die. If you want it to pop out of your card and actually die cut the entire thing, you're going to use both dies together. So there's a lot of different options on that, so stay tuned for more info on those. Go check out the card fronts videos because it's amazing, okay? Also, this one has been done forever, and I have been dying to share it with you. It is a postage stamp fold-it. What's a fold-it? It's a shaped card, A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the really cool thing about it is this die in here, because it'll literally make like your own sheet of postage stamps. It is so cute. I can't wait to show you. But wait, there's more. Okay, you guys, this one is awesome. This is a double window A2 card base. Now, what does that mean? Let me show you. And look how big it is. It's massive. It's awesome. It's wonderful. It also comes with the words, "You are loved," and these awesome, amazing flowers that I'm just crying over because I love them so much. Look at the gorgeous flowers, first of all, right? Aren't they gorgeous? Now, the A2 double window means that you have this frame situation here. So you have a frame and there's stitch lines on here. I know it's hard to see, but there's stitch lines on the card. You have this frame here. Then you have the littler frame. See how the big frame goes over the little frame? Then you have the little frame, and then you open the card. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's almost like a Z, because look at that. But if I were to have made it an actual die for the whole thing, oh my word, it would have cost a fortune. So I did a little trick. What did I do? When I designed the die, here it is, here's the big die. When I designed it, I added this little flap, okay? This flap saves you money because it makes the die smaller. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of cardstock, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, A2 in size, and you are going to put it behind, right? Behind your card base. Now I did it in 2 colors so you could see what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add adhesive to my flap, and I am going to put it on the back of my cardstock. I'm going to line this up just like that, and I'm going to put it on the back of my little card front, and I'm going to fold that. And now watch this, you guys. 1 and 2. Let's turn it this way. 2. You can fold it that way, and it can open that way, or you can turn it this way, and it can open that way. The choice is yours, you guys. Now, you can do a lot more with this. You can make a big accordion album if you wanted to. So many different options. But that little flap saves you money, which is really handy dandy, right? Because it's just going to save you money. And you don't see it. Normally, you would do it all in the same color, but I did it in 2 so you could see what I was doing. Okay. And I love the final look. Isn't that just stunning? It's just gorgeous. Let's look at, I have more. Remember I talked about 5x7 cards? Well, we now have 5x7 scalloped rectangles. What does that mean? That means if you fold your cardstock and put the tip of the edge of the die where it says place fold here on the back above your fold and run it through, you are going to get a 5x7 scalloped card. Then you're going to die cut separately the front, and boom, 5x7 card base. Isn't that awesome? Now let's look. I have a couple more. This is just on a regular 5x7 card base, but look at how gorgeous those scallops are. Look at that. You can make your own little frames on the inside. Love it. Here's another one that really shows off those scalloped rectangles. Love that. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another one. This is what I was talking about. So you are going to you're going to fold your cardstock and run it through your machine. Let me show you because I want you to really know how to do this. So let's grab some cardstock and I'm just going to fold this in half. I won't die cut it, but I'm just going to show you what to do. Fold it in half, right? So here's my fold. I'm going to take the largest die, which is 5x7, and I'm going to die cut it so this, you can see, here, let me move it down. So I'm going to exaggerate it so you can really see. So that fold is on the inside of my die. Now I'm going to bring it down a little bit because I don't need it to be that big. And I'm going to go just underneath that die. So there's a little bit of space in between. Run that through my die cut machine and I'm going to get this, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Now this one has a straight edge at the top. This designer decided not to add an extra one. If you don't like the straight edges, so there's lots of options. Do it like this, boom, you're done. If you don't like the straight edge at the top and you want it to have a rectangle scallop all the way around, you will then die cut another one separately by itself, just die cut it regular and then glue it on top. And now you will have the perfect 5x7 small scalloped rectangle card without the big machine. So now those of you that don't have a big machine, you can do 5x7 cards. Right? Right? Okay, I have more samples. So look at this. You are getting all of these awesome, awesome shapes, rectangles. Here we go. Boom. Look at this. Here, you can do this and make smaller size cards. Same technique on that fold, but you're using a smaller rectangle to make a smaller size card. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Oh, let's look at this one. Oh, here is You Are My Sunshine. The pieces cut out. So remember, it cuts out. Here's the one that matches. Oh, look at this. Look at matching envelope. You're going to die cut it, and the inside pieces make their own pieces. Now, when you die cut it, those pieces just pop out so you can use the negative or the positive of the die. Isn't that fun? So it's like double duty, really it is. Here's another cute one, double duty. Oh, I love this one. Isn't that one beautiful? You Are My Sunshine. I love that. So cute. Okay, let my love for you shelter you from the storm. That's the sayings for basket. I love that. Now here's a gorgeous one. Oh, using our embossing folder. You Are Loved. This time, this designer just glued it together so you have both frames and then you open it up and you have the inside of your card. So you can do that as well. Here's another one. You Are Loved. Look at this, you guys. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. That one's a little different. I love how the designers did these different. So she just used one piece of that. She actually, I take that back. Let me show you what she did. So she put this on a card base. Here's the card, regular card, right? Regular card. Ignore this piece, regular card. Then the designer die cut this piece. Let me see if I can take it apart. Die cut this piece. Glued it together here, glued it here so we had that frame option, then added it to the card base, and then you get this. So you get that awesome frame look, and then you get that fun thing. Isn't that awesome? Lots of options on this one, you guys. Here's another one. This one is with it glued together. Love it. So you have, oh, look at this one with the burlap die on the back. So you don't have to use a straight rectangle. You could use a burlap die on the back. You know I love that one. That's one of my faves. Okay, here's another one. You Are Loved. And let me see if I can open it. Oh, it's glued for photography. So there we go. You Are Loved. And this one, oh, this one is just like this. You Are Loved, and that's it. See, tricky on some of these. I love it. Now let's look at the postage stamp, because the postage stamp you're going to have a blast with. So here we go. Here is the postage stamp. Up at the top, the cute little stamps the postage stamps. I have to say postage stamps because we deal with clear stamps, right? So the postage stamps, oh, beautiful. Here's a fun one, and this one really shows off the cute little stamps that you can make. And yes, they're like kind of perforated so you can tear them apart, which is really fun. Oh my word, look at this one. Oh, our big mailbox to stamp is on here. Sending you a special delivery. I love that little dog. Isn't that little dog cute? Reminds me of a golden retriever. Here's a cute one. Look at that. Where's the little kitty cat? Just a note. Hello there. You are so right. You've got mail. And that's using the big mailbox to stamp and the more big mailbox to stamp sayings. Isn't that cute? Open it up. I've got your back. Okay, save that one for last. Okay, look at how cute this one is. USA. Let's celebrate USA. This is using the USA Fold-it and the barbecue to stamp dies and our star dies. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. Oh, and the large postmark dies. I love it. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Isn't that cute? Look at our cute Nomi. Everybody loves the Nomis. Everybody loves the Nomis. I know, I know. Look how cute with the little stamps behind him. Ooh, and this is using our crosshatch stencil, which I absolutely positively love. Now, Yvette, Yvette made this one. I knew she did. She likes to do a little different, and I love it. I don't want to say antique-y, but it's definitely a different look, and I love that. Look at how just beautiful it is, right? Isn't it just beautiful? Sending you paper hugs. Fragile. We need to keep in touch. I love that. It's using the circles for postmarks, the icons for personalized, the large postage to stamp, and the big mailbox to stamp. So beautiful. And the stitched envelope background. Lots of options on that one. Woo! My friends, guess what? If you subscribe to one of our kits, that means you're a club member. That means you get a discount off of everything on our website. Between 15 and 20% off, depending on what you subscribe to. And oh my goodness gracious, can you imagine? And let me tell you a little secret. Come here. Little secret just between you and me. If you get in on these items, the first 24 hours they're on our website, all of these are on flash sale. So we have our everyday low price, our flash sale price, and then our subscription club discount price. It's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.